beautiful people? What's good? This is what when they say you are multi-talented. I don't even know where this goes, but you see, this is what being multi-talented looks like. Let's throw this shit away. You see, when you're multi-talented and people figure you out as who is multi-talented, you don't have a focus. It means you don't have something they can pinpoint that this is what you're good at.
These are facts.
People can really understand what you're really good at, and they don't know, they don't have a reason to give their money to you or to pay you for whatever it is. They can decide to say, okay, because this person knows this thing, uh, he knows, he has an idea. They won't say he's an expert in it. You don't want to be in that zone. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the reason why being multi-talented can hurt you as a talent. You don't want to be there. Let's get into it. You see, most multi-talented people feel like they can do so much that way. Maybe they can always make money from this, from that, from that. Now, you see, it's better for you to actually focus on one particular thing. Be so good at one particular thing that people, when they're looking for solutions to that particular thing that you know how to do, or they're looking for solutions to their problems, they know exactly where to come to. They know exactly who to call. Pick up one thing, just one thing. Be an expert at that thing and master that thing so well. And don't try to start doing so much just because you think maybe you can do different things and you need to just dabble into this, dabble into that. What most successful people do is this: they focus on one thing, just one thing. They focus on one thing, build on that thing, you know compound it. Like Albert Einstein would say, that is the eighth wonder of the world: compound interest. You see, the ones that understand it benefit from it. The ones that don't pay dearly for it, if that's how it is. But I think that's what it is. But then again, it's just saying, just make sure you're so damn good at one particular thing that you can do it successfully without stress. Now, that is being talented. Now, people will want to partner with you because they know for solution to a particular problem, they know where to come to or they know where to go to. You feel what I'm saying? You know what they say about a jack of all trade is a master of none. You don't want to be someone that they see like that. You see, in the beginning, when I was wearing this hat on my head, you got confused. That's how people will get confused when it comes to trying to understand what you really do. What you want to do is focus on one thing, just one thing alone. Be so damn good at that thing that nobody can tell you anything. And make sure you actually do it so well that people will recognize you and understand that, okay, this is the person for this thing. They don't want to go anywhere else because they're used to you and because you provide great services or great solution, or your expertise is so damn good that they can't even go nowhere else. You see? Now that is what we mean by building adequate skills and incredible talent. And to be honest, focusing on too many things can actually drain your energy because you're giving this and that and that and that too much energy. It's like Bruce Lee would say, I don't fear somebody that practices 10,000 kicks at once. I fear someone who practices one kick 10,000 times. It's gumption. You see, it's not rocket science. It's just how it is. when you're so damn good at one particular thing, you can now start making income from that particular thing. When you see that that thing is making income, then you can diversify. That is a different thing entirely. You don't have to do this, do that one, do that one, do that one, do that one. It will even hurt you more because you cannot make so much. You might make for a period of time, you might make money here and there and there, but at a point in time, it will stop because once they get somebody that does it cheaper, they will go there. But if you do it nice, and even if it's expensive, they will always come back to you. It's just like a nice chef that knows how to cook or a barber that knows how to cut. If you know how to cut somebody's hair, there's no need for that person to go back to another person. If you know how to cook good food, people will patronize you by default because your food is good. It tastes good, and people love tasty meals. You just need to focus on one particular thing and be so good at it that people can look elsewhere. People will always find a way to partner with you or to invest in you or to do something with you just to see that, okay, they benefit from that thing you're good at, and also they're making money. You are making money from that which you love to do. Do you know how fulfilling it is to do something you love and still get paid? Oh my God, the best feeling in the world. Anyway, this is your boy Sidolf, and I'm signing out. Peace.